Okay, we're hitting.
Yeah, we're here.
Hey, can you hear me?
Hold on 1 second.
Yeah, I know. I'm in it. We got at least Golf Ball Side Hill, Exit 1 and Martintown Road. Alright, give me a wind reading. Once I stop, I need a wind reading. Wind reading.
43.
Alright, 43 miles an hour with Golf Ball Size Hill, Exit 1 and Martintown. Alright, hold on. Can you hear me better?
Okay, time, yeah.
Hey, can you hear me better?
Yeah, go
Okay.
ahead.
We got Golf Ball Size Hill. I can't get out right this second to get it. And we got 43 mile an hour winds right now.
What's that at?
Exit 1 on I-20 and Martintown Road.
Exit 1 and I-20.
Yep, and Martintown Road.
Exit 1, I-20, Martintown Road, Golf Ball Side Hill.
Yep, we got a lot of straight line winds right here on the frontage road now. I'm trying to get back in front of it.
Okay, hang tight, let me call this in.
Alright.
Whoa, what are you doing, Pond?
I don't know.
Oh, it's
Roger. I'm just located here in the
I'm getting blown up.
The Memorial Presbyterian Church, and we just slug it down, and quarter size down, and maybe a little bit acre too. So anyway, go ahead. That just happened within the last few minutes. And after I just really got to get in the car, and we had a look until we're doing right now, we're doing a relative calm, and we're really calm, like 5 minutes ago.
Alright, I'm about to get back in it.
59 PSW. I'm on South Parkway, just past Gateway Parkway, right down in the middle of the road.
What will we need to light right now?
The last station, could you repeat that location once again, please? I'm in South Parkway and Gateway Boulevard, down
tornadoes, large-scale and damaging winds in close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should be alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Or sources for the latest severe weather information.
Yep, I'm still here. We were getting hit with golf balls.
Golf ball?
Yeah.
Okay, that's been about, what, 5 minutes ago?
Yeah, about 5 minutes ago. I'm trying to get back up ahead of it now. We got,
Yeah, that's
it was,
hill right here.
you got some hill right there?
Yeah. Can we grab it?
Grab it. Grab it. Hurry up. We're grabbing hell right now so we can get photos of it.
There you go.
I'm not too far away from you.
Okay, hold on. Camera.
That's the biggest piece I could grab right now.
Yeah. Alright. Alright, I'm sending you a photo of the hell.
Alright.
Calling that the
Hold on, one second.
Alright, I just sent it.
Old Frederick and Frederick Ridge. We just had 3-inch size.
Alright, get a quarter here. Get a quarter and measure it with the quarter. Yeah.
Thank you very much for your report. I'll send it in to you. I want that.
Don't lose it. Get it, because I gotta go.
Alright. This bigger than quarter size.
And control, golf ball size hill, Martintown Road in I-20.
Oh, don't go. You ain't going nowhere.
3 minutes ago.
Yeah, I'm trying to get back up, catch back up to it now.
406, I copy that. Martintown Road, 20, you say?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is correct. Martintown Road in I-20, golf ball size hill.
We had a wind gust of 43 with that storm. Trying to get back in front of it.
Might have died off. I don't know. Oh, look at all that. All that hell. Is it on?
You still there?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm trying to listen to you and the radio.
Oh, okay.
Hang on just a minute.
It's alright. Go ahead. If you need to, call me back. I'm fixing to hit 25, and then I'm going to cut back down on Ridge Road.